back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
All right, squad. I just got a delivery in from UPS, and it's right over here. You can see it right over here on my counter. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this so that you guys can see what I got. All right, so I got the package right up here on the top, and it's actually something that I ordered from Anatol. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, let y'all see what's inside. Struggling. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Finish opening this up. I don't know who taped this, but they went a little crazy with the tape, y'all. They did go a little crazy with the tape. Alright. So, alright, it's up a little bit high. So I'm gonna put it down on this lower table so y'all can see it better. Alright. Go ahead and slide it down here. Alright, so they got a lot of padding. Y'all see all this padding? You can like hit your forehead on this and you'll be alright. Like, boom. That's good padding. That didn't even hurt. Alright, so I'm going to take all the padding out first. Then I'm going to let y'all see. Alright, right here. Look at there. Boom. Boom. You can do some things with this. Y'all see it? Sit it right here. Take this and put it over here. And take this and put it over here. Then I'll move this box out the way. Alright. So, I'm going to show y'all what these first two things are. Some of y'all might already know, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let y'all see it. Alright, so right here, you see that I have a sleeve palette right here. Sleeve palette, platen, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so that's that one. And I'm going to go ahead and open this and let y'all see what it is. Alright, so you flip it and you flip it and you flip it and you flip it. And boom. There is the youth palette right there. And with the unlike the other press that I had, you don't need an attachment for this part, because all you do is right on here, you slide this part right onto it. Like you unhook the other one that's on there, slide it out, then you slide this one right in. So with this one, you know, with all the palettes like this, I know like with my Vastex, it needed an extra palette. It needed an extra what do you call it, bracket on here for you to be able to slide it onto the arm. But the way that the Anatol presses are made, you don't need that. And I'm not going to open everything up right now because I'm not going to be using this today. But I will be doing videos soon with especially that sleeve palette. I got something coming up for that. But all you have to do is slide it right on. And you don't even need the attachment, so you don't have to spend a lot of money buying attachments. You know. But this is what I got. Alright, and this other thing right here. The other thing right here, I hate to even tell y'all what this is, y'all. Some of y'all might already know. Because y'all know in times like these, boom! In times like these, y'all know what kind of times I'm talking about. Tough times, because I'm always having issues, y'all. So, I'm going to cut this open. I don't know if I should show y'all what this is. Karen, should I show them what this is?
Yes.
You think so?
I do think
You just want people to laugh at me.
No, I
She do. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show this to y'all. Alright. Now, y'all don't think this is something crazy when y'all see it, okay? I'm going to go ahead, unwrap it, and let y'all see what it is. They wrapped it extra careful. Let me just cut this off. only cutting through the epidermis of the package. We don't want to get all deep down into it. All right. So right here, what y'all think this is? I'm not gonna unroll and show y'all. Some of y'all may know. Y'all see what it is? And y'all, these things are super duper. You don't want to mess these up. You really don't. I ain't gonna say no more. You do not want to mess these things up, but I did mess mine up. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show y'all what I did, and I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do in order to not mess it up, because you do not, I promise you, you don't want to have to buy another one of these. I hated to have to order that one myself, but I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show y'all what happened. All right, so I just turned on the conveyor dryer. Y'all actually, I don't think y'all have got to see the dryer move yet. Y'all see that thing moving, ain't it? It's going. Got it set up right there. What I want y'all to see is coming in a minute, so I'm gonna pause and come back and let y'all check it out once it get to this side. All right, so what I ended up doing, y'all see right here where it's ripped right there and ripped right here, and this part right here, if I would have did it right the first time, this was laying flat. It would have been laying flat, but you can cut this part off, you know, or you can just hope that it work out well for you and leave it on there like that. But basically what happened was I tightened this up too tight because the belt kept sliding to one side, and I was like, well, it must not be tight enough. That's not the right thing to do. You do not want it to be like super tight, or you can risk something like this happening. What needs to happen, if depending on your dryer, you might have to contact your company if they don't have it in your manual. But what ended up happening was I had to contact the company, and they helped me to figure out how to make it. Like if it's going to the left side, it's a certain thing you have to do. If it's going to the right side, it's a certain thing you have to do. So they told me what to do, and now it's pretty much, as y'all see, it's pretty much centered on both sides. But the only thing is the rip right here that could continue and cause it to be not usable for what you need it for. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all that because I didn't want y'all to have the same issue that I had, because that's an expensive issue to have. So I'm not going to keep y'all on here. I appreciate y'all watching. Just wanted to do this little quick video. If you like my content, y'all make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell. And show me some support by hitting that thumbs up button. You can also follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. But until next time, I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out. You silly. Okay, here I go. I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned. I didn't like the lighting on it. Let me go over here. Oh, this better. I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned. Quiet on the set.
You know, me and you used to.
Yeah, let me turn the air on. You need some water or anything?
Can I have a bottle of water for you?
Yeah, I can give you a couple of bottles. How many you want?
If I can have 2 right now, I'm good. I'll go just.
I'll try to have some Gatorade in here sometimes, because I know y'all be out there doing some things and it be hot.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to put them in a bag or?
No, I'm about to kill one right now.
Okay. Well, you want me to give you an extra one?
98, 48. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
You want me to give you one extra one? See if you're going to go on the drink for it?
Please, yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
You have a good day, friend.
All right. Yeah, he done subbed before.
Oh,
You see?
suck it.
Yeah.
What you say? Oh, we got
You
a
see?
bottle this. We don't know what it is. But
Look.
she got a friend.
Look.
If he sounds like his voice.
Oh, you couldn't see it.
Hello?
You couldn't see it. I tried to
I'm
put
not
the
going to see
camera.
his legs and
I'm
his stomach.
sorry. I tried to put the camera where you could see it. He'll be back. He's my driver now. He'll be back.
Shut the front door and don't ask no
His
questions.
name is Key. I don't know what this is. He don't know.
Hey, Joe.
I don't know if this is. Okay, I'm gonna take it. That's an 8. I'm gonna let you look at it. Now I know I got some bad
Don't you
penmanship.
even try to change the subject, helper.
Look.
Oh, shut.
What is that? 9, 8, 4, 8.
That looked like a 9-3. I think that's 4-8.
But those 3s don't look like the other 3s. That's why I was thinking.
Well, he makes his 3s different, but that's not a 3 at the end. I think that's an 8.
I think both of them is 8s. They look like cursive G's.
I think if you go out the door, he probably still sitting there.
He ain't out there. He gone. He got in that truck and rolled out. Like I heard
You
it.
know why? Because he probably was nervous after talking to you. Didn't think you would, even respond back.
You silly. He know I be having their numbers because I had told him before.
Backerific. Oh,
You silly. I ain't gonna even show you the other parts of this desk now.
Okay,
Because you own me too bad. I ain't gonna even show you. I'm just messing with you.
I apologize.
Okay, let me show you this desk. Y'all, Karen over here on me. And I'm filming this. I ain't gonna show y'all this desk. Y'all gonna have to check out the other video that's gonna be right up here. And then y'all can see it. All right, it's coming up here. I'm gonna try to get a good shot of it. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. It's still gonna keep going around though. Come on. Store. I just want you to go around the. Okay, I'm gonna let it get to a good point, and then I'm gonna stop it. Stop. No, it would keep going. Y'all see that? Now it's kept going, so I gotta let it go back through all again. Come on. All I wanted to do was stop. I should just left it where it was, huh? Y'all saw what happened. I was trying to get to stop right there, but because it's got to cool off at its own pace, I stopped it in the wrong place. But y'all give me a minute. It'll be back around here shortly. It didn't take that long that time. It'll be right back. Hopefully it'll work right this time.